Here, hello everyone, we are going to look at the logical sequence of words. How do we do these questions of logical sequence of words? For example, so that means that this sequence here is interlinked and it has like a pattern it's following, and we have to be able to identify it. Are we together? So for example, here they've said arrange the words in logical order. They've given you birth, marriage, death, funeral, education. So you keep on trying out each of them. For example, you may say number one is telling you, does it follow birth? After birth it's funeral. After funeral it's marriage. After marriage it is death. I don't see any pattern or anything linking this. When you follow the pattern here, birth, after birth, it's death. After death it's a funeral. After the funeral it is marriage. After marriage it is education. No, this doesn't really give us the actual sense because there is no pattern here. Let's see the next one. They're telling us here we have birth. After birth there is education. After education there is marriage. After marriage you die, and there's a funeral. So we see a clear pattern here. It can either be in ascending order or in descending order. So this is the answer because it's following that you're born, you get educated, afterwards you marry, then you die, and the funeral is made for you. Let's see the next one. These are actually simple. We have here a leaf, a fruit, a stem, a root, and a flower. They're actually drawing now. If this is a tree, that is what they're actually trying to illustrate. Down there is a root, then there is a stem, So we have to follow this pattern and know up to when we get the actual mango or the fruit. So when we see the patterns here, we have here the first one. They're telling us to start from, so it may even start from a fruit itself. Are we together? So you have to know whether it's descending or in ascending. The first one they're telling us here, we have 3, that is the stem, then it follows with the root. Are we together? Then they are telling us number 5 is the flower. No, there is no pattern here. We go to the next one. They're telling us number 4, which is the root. Then it follows the stem. Then it follows the leaf. Then it follows the fruit. Then it follows the flower. No, it's the flower that gives us the what? The fruit. Next, they are showing us number 4. That is the root. Then it goes to the leaf. Then it goes to the stem. No, this is not a pattern of the tree, how it produces its fruits. So number 4, they are telling us starts from the root, then it goes to the stem, and after the stem grows, the leaves come. After the leaves come, the flowers. After the flowers, they give birth to the fruit. So we shall see that this is the actual answer. Next, they are telling us here a book, pulp, timber, jungle, paper. This is actually how the book is made. They start from the first one. They are telling us the pulp. After the pulp is made, they are telling us it's paper. After the paper is made, then the book. After the book is made, then they are telling us the jungle, and then the timber. Are we together? Next, they are telling us here, they are starting with 4. They are telling us jungle. Are we together? After jungle, they are telling us number 3 is timber. After timber, they tell us pulp is made. After pulp is made, paper is made. After paper is made, the book is made. This is actually the actual answer. So you can try out more to gain experience and learn, and you can share some in the comment section if you've learned. And please don't forget to subscribe and to share.